Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm participating in the Glitter Glam and Glitz Tablescape, and it's hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget and co-hosted by Diva Decorating and EasyLivingwithElle. So I'm going to list all these ladies' channels down below in the description box. Make sure you go over and check out their channels. They do some absolutely beautiful decor things, as well as their tablescapes and many other things. I'm also going to list the playlist down below so you can see what everybody is doing for this tablescape challenge. And there are going to be some gorgeous things, trust me. Now, let's get going, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Taking in here, now you can see, first off, I did not use a charger on my tablescape this time. I absolutely love these silver placemats, and I just didn't want to obstruct the view, so I used my clear plates, and you can see right through two plates, you can still see the placemat down below. I just think it looks so chic and elegant, and I'm absolutely loving it. It is giving off the perfect vibe for what I was going for. Very clean lines and yet extreme elegance to it. Now let me show you a little closer. I have these napkin ring holders, and I just made these. I purchased these beads at Walmart, and I just strung them through some floral wire. I made two loops, and then I strung the loops together to make these beautiful napkin rings. Now this is my salad plate that I picked up a few weeks before we all went on lockdown, and I picked this up at the thrift store. I was able to get those salad plates for $1 a piece. And same with these large clear plates. I was able to pick up 6 of those at the thrift store for $1.50 for the 6 of them. These are my everyday silverware that you've seen a ton of times. This placemat I picked up at Walmart. It was only $1.98. It has this beautiful silver metallic shine to it. It's so pretty. Here you can see my water goblet along with my wine glass, and I have my little dessert cup or my fruit cup up here above as well. Now to layer my place setting, I just have my placemat with my clear glass on it. Then I add these really ornate salad plates right on top of that. And then I go ahead and put my napkin right on top of my salad plate. And I think this just adds so much elegance. I absolutely love the way this looks. Now here in the center, for my centerpiece, I have a couple of these paper roses that I made. I'll go ahead and leave a link up above for those if you're interested in seeing how I made these. These are so easy. So if you're interested in that, like I said, I'm leaving that link right up here above. You can see on my candlesticks here, I just wrapped a little bit of the Dollar Tree bling right around them. Along with the spinel in the back, I wrapped some of the Dollar Tree bling right around that as well. And I added a few of these really shiny glittery beads to this little candlestick holder. And this camera, I'm sorry, it's just not doing justice to how glittery or how shimmering these beads are, because they just sparkle so much. Here is a little silver tray that I picked up at the thrift store a few weeks back. Now let me just show you this overview from up above. You can kind of get a better view of everything. This candle is one that I DIY'd just for this challenge. And all it is some glitter paper that I purchased from Walmart, wrapped around the candle. And then I took some of the Dollar Tree bling and wrap that at the top of the glitter paper. And then I have some more of these beads around the bottom of that candle. And again, those beads are just strung on some floral wire, and all that was purchased at Walmart, including the candle itself. On my black candle holders here, you can see I have these silver bowls from the Dollar Tree. And inside those, I just have some of these little vases from the Dollar Tree with some black sand in it, and then some little candles in that. This is a extremely inexpensive tablescape, and yet it looks so much more expensive. And that's really what my channel is all about, is showing you how to get really elegant looks for things, but on a very tight budget. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.